here at You Pick, You Save, and there's a car just chilling right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do a random video. Should be pretty good. They usually have a lot of Hondas here, so let's see how it turns out. But they actually have vehicles for sale right in back, and they have some RVs and stuff, so let's go check that out. Alright guys, look at this Audi A4 Quattro 5-speed. It's 98. It actually has some nice interior, like those seats. They're a little ripped, but they could be redone. Some scuffs and damages, but not that bad. $2,800. I mean, if the engine is sound, it's not that bad. Probably a bargain a little bit. But yeah, looks pretty cool. I like the color. Alright guys, so I tried to go over there, and a lot of people got turned away because it's no longer self-serve. So yeah, it's you pick, you save, but it's no longer. So I guess so many people were like stealing stuff. I got a little Honda. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go to Alameda. You guys already been there, but I'm gonna make a video since the live streamings are not that good. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, check this out. Got the Grate steering wheel, V8, runs. Nice wheels. 1800, not bad, pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the typical, go to the Euro, and then go to the Japanese, and then I'll go to the domestic. Kind of a windy day today, so if you get some wind noise, my bad. Let's see this little Volvo over here. Clothes are so smooth, everything's just so nice. These Swedish vehicles are pretty sweet. I like the door panel color. That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Little 5-cylinder. Oh, by the way, guys, get these horns off of these vehicles, put them on your Honda. These are nice sounding horns, is what I have. Look at this one. Little Golf. Puny little engine. Alright, so let's get out of here. Let's go over there. It's the Japanese section. Let's see. Alright, so I seen Integra already right there. Civic. Five-speed. Good seats. Alright, so this is the one that I pulled some parts off of. And they took a lot of stuff. Crazy. This was like a complete car last time I was here. Yeah, one of my subscribers took these taillights. That was pretty cool. Good heads up. I gave I give people, the local people. But yeah, so look at this little 4th gen. I already seen these. Hopefully there's some new vehicles. I already seen those two. I think somebody, now the brakes are still there. Brakes are here. Just chilling. Aluminum subframe. I got busted. Crazy. Civics everywhere. Nice taillights right here. Del Sol seats. My favorite seats in the world. Love these seats. I would actually buy these again if they weren't thrashed. I want some Del Sol seats in mint condition. Be pretty cool. It's like a little maybe EM1 wing. It's got the wing, but looks kind of generic. It had the SI badge. It was green, and there's no green SIs with drum brakes and a single cam. Little insight. And another insight. I bet these are some light wheels right here. Nice Maxima right here. I like the spoiler and these lights. Pretty sweet. Look at this Mazda Miata. Crazy. Smashed. Look at that bumper right there. Little body kit on there. Celica. Little Subaru right here. And they took the cat was right there. I'm guessing they just torched it right off or something. Here's a Civic right here, newer Civic. I haven't seen one of these here. I guess they're starting to get newer vehicles here. Dang, what the hell? G35. Engine pulled. Fourth gen. Clip Spider.
Bring it, I found one.
Yeah, pretty clean right here. Nice door panels. Nice interior, look at this. Look how clean that looks for the age. I was stuck seeing this interior here. I was stuck seeing this one here. I want to get something like this, little inverter or something. Damn, sucks. Pretty clean overall, no damage or anything, no wrecks. Just basically all stock with the wheels. Auto. Alright guys, so little DA9. There's one part that I'm thinking of getting. It's got a nice black interior. Well, it was nice at one time. Transmission still here. Pretty crazy. Drilled and slotted. Well, yeah, but one thing I'm gonna get, then somebody keyed it all the way down. I'm actually gonna get the spoiler because these are becoming rare, and I see them less and less on these second gens. That's actually kind of cool right there. But yeah, but I'm gonna pull the spoiler and get it. A little bit cracked right here. Not too bad though, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna keep going and just see what other cool things I find. Cool little top right here. Look at this VW Eurovan right here. You definitely don't see these anymore. Or actually, I don't think at all. These weren't even that popular. This was a taxi car at once by that green paint. Little Civic right there, crazy. That's pretty sweet. Quality craft. Those wheels will look good on the truck too. Just get a, those are 16s too. Just get a taller tire. Old Chevy truck. Yeah, you could tour Hollywood right here. Just see all the bums. Look at that right there. Yeah, these are all old vehicles. They've been here for a while. It's usually the imports that get snatched up pretty quick and they just scrap the shells. But unless it's like a rare domestic that, you know, doesn't reach the junkyards, those are pulled quick and scrapped. Dodge Stealth. I haven't seen these. It's crazy. Alright, let's go check out the bikes, the bike parts. And I'm gonna get out of here. Check this out. That looks pretty cool. It's a little 4-stroke. I don't see a name on it. A rear disc. Thing's all decked out. Little plug right there. Pretty cool.